baking powder, cake cone. Hi Eugene.
Hi Auntie Mai. Hi.
So sugar. Sai cho đây.
Take your sugar little too.
Oh, I got brown sugar.
Wow, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Right.
Sorry, I feel like this one needs to be clean.
Dạ một cái tạ, ông chi lai của chi. Chồng mới về đi cô này một phong rồi hay có về này nhà cháy cho tiền.
There's no room in the fridge.
Bây giờ nó luôn là một sạch sai nó xíu xíu. Why you don't finish nha?
Oh, we'll just save it for today. For today.
Đó, mango. Này Nico pha chi nè. Your one nè. Clean rồi đấy, mẹ clean.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Phô hay vegan, phô hay dạo dọc phong sai rồi hay có tàu cái gì như thế. He put in when I take them back, I put some container in. When I don't. Oh, then you cheat one.
Okay. She must have got the hands on my mask unexpected, and she must have put in the bag. Alright, quarantine. You need this.
That one, yeah. Bây giờ mix with about half an hour.
Sure, it's up time quarantine.
Yes.
Cool. I don't know how you want it.
Like this. That one first. I think that one is still not well done yet. But when you cook, they will soften. Yeah, they will soften. Yeah.
Alright. Not gonna lie, this is actually the first time I ever cooked with plantain.
Then you cut like this. Slice. Like this. When you fry, put in the flour and yeah, yeah, like this. Yeah, very simple. Put in here, yeah.
Just stop looking at me. Alright.
Yeah, and how many? One, I think need a lot because we got a lot of banana. Yeah.
I'm guessing you need to put at least about 6.
Doesn't matter. If not enough, do more.
Okay.
Don't worry, yeah. Just only do a little first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just cut.
Yeah. Little bit sugar, yeah. If you like sweet, you can put more. Just a little bit. So yeah. So she half
spoon.
Half, yeah. Baking soda. Teaspoon, yeah. 1, 2, 4 with 1. 2 teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon of salt.
I think we got that banana. If you want more flavor, you can put that one. Yeah, flavor, yeah.
Oh, I got one actually.
What, that one, yeah?
Oh, actually, this is your one. I got my own.
That almond.
I was just showing her what I got.
Yeah. I put oil in.
Ooh.
You can stir like this. Put some and stir.
Okay.
Don't forget, put some oil in. If not, oil make it that crunchy and soft.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, that mix.
Okay.
Make it not enough water. Put some more. That's it. And put that one too, like, yeah.
Okay.
If you do pancake, something like this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Not anything.
Okay.
Better. That one may be quick and very smooth. You can put slowly. Yeah. If that not too sticky. Not too stick or not too light water.
Okay. Normally I just focus on getting rid of the lumps. You know what? Doing this like it's actually a good 4-arm workout. Yes.
When you mix well, when you fry, that more softer. Yeah.
Holy shit! My bones is about to pop. Yes, I see. Looks like it's alright.
No more water.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
I did it generally, she do it well.
You take hot. Don't take heavy hot.
Yeah, that is true. Oh, taste it.
If you want more sweet, you can put some sugar. Yeah, you can taste it. Yeah.
Yeah, just put it like that.
Not too sweet. Yeah.
No, not too sweet.
When you talk like this, look that smooth. It's still not something no. Make well. Idea. First of all, high heat. When we put the banana cake in, keep the medium. Okay. Not too high. Put in higher. Full. No, more. Not be more. When they fry, we need more.
Is that enough?
More. That's it. So yeah. Chopstick. Phải đặt nó người ta phải lấy cô long rồi anh. Mày lại cắt cái kiểu này. Now it's like a medium. You can tape like this. That one okay. Put like this.
Yes, it looks so good.
You can turn over.
Oh.
When they turn.
Oh, when they golden.
When they go golden, yeah.
Okay.
Not too early. When too early, they will fall.
Oh, that looks so good. Oh, sugar. We need sugar for this one.
Put like the paper. Play, yeah. Here. When they golden, pick out. Yeah.
Okay. This one looks alright.
That one okay, yeah. Yeah, that one okay. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I'm good.
Definitely. Otherwise they will stick.
Oh, pull on the side.
Yeah, put one side. Put that one side. I put the new one. Otherwise they stick. Turn over đây. No yet.
I swear I know how to use a chopstick.
That one may be okay. Turn over that. I think should be okay, yeah.
Okay.
Because if you
You know what, just take it off. Take it off.
turn that one don't let they too brown. If they too brown, they all water come out. Yeah, because that one tastes very sweet.
Oh, really?
Sick banana. They eat the whole week.
A whole week of
Whole week.
fried bananas and plantains. Eat that banana now.
More salt, more sweet.
More sweet. Okay, that's
Yeah.
everything.
Turn off. Turn off.
Oh, turn off.
Turn off.
Yeah, sorry.
Tặng cho hay à?
No.
Cái này tao mang về.
Oh, yeah, that's your cool. It tastes nice.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
I gave it to you, bye. But you just go give
Bye
it to
bye.
Okay,
See you
now
soon.
you-
Yeah.